These are 4 different iPhones. iPhone SE with the same body style as the iPhone 5. iPhone 6S actually, which is the same body style with 7 and 8. iPhone X, similar to the XS and 11. And then the iPhone XR, which is just big. And so, even though I have an iPhone XR, do you know what size we prefer? And this does have a better camera and a faster processor. I'm still willing to use these two iPhones, an iPhone SE as well as the iPhone 6S over these two phones. It may have the better camera and better processor, but just the size alone. I can wait a second as things load. And this is just easier to hold. I rarely drop my phone because it's too big. You can compare, here, look at this. It's just slightly thicker. And you don't want to compare it to the iPhone XR, which is really thick. It's like the old iPhone 2. So even though I could use newer phones, I'm actually using this phone, which I got for like $70, and I'm using this phone, which I got for $30, versus this phone, which is a few $100s, and this phone, which is a few $100s. So that's one way you can save money using old technology. Like I said, this is thinner and lighter and easily fixable. These are shut in tight. I also forgot to mention that it has a nice home button. It's nice to have a home button to navigate. Without the home button, I have to slide up and weird gestures. And also, you can, again, it just holds better. It's very bulky. I've dropped it multiple times because it's just hard to hold unless you have big hands. And I won't go there, but it's just for average size hands or smaller hands, it's just easier to hold rather than this big bulky phone. And once I put on a case, it becomes even bulkier.